Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today is the day a lot of you are waiting for. At least not all of you, but quite a few of you. So I do have the 420 box, I have the large box, and then tomorrow it should be the day where the bundle of all three of them come in. The 420 box was not included in that. By the way, if you're new here, since my Jeffree Star videos seem to be some of my biggest ones, hi, my name is Jessica. Thank you for coming to the channel. I'm all about working on good things and beauty and self-love on the inside while we play with fun stuff like makeup and skincare and work on our beauty on the outside. So I have some things to talk about in an upcoming video and a new challenge I'm going to do for mental health. But right now we are going to open these guys up. Like I said, a few little disclaimers. Everybody, I know that Jeffree Star is not everybody's cup of tea. And I totally understand that, and I'm okay with that. And to be quite honest with you, I don't know him as a human. I don't really know if he's my cup of tea. I do know that I enjoy his makeup, and that's what this video is about. It's about the makeup. It's not about the person behind it. And please be kind to everybody that are down in the comments. You know, we're not that person, so let's not attack each other. We're not standing for that person. And everybody was pretty nice in the last one, and that's like at 5.5 thousand, I believe, have watched that, and everybody was pretty good to each other. I really appreciate that. Other than like a random person who told me I should really stop getting my lips done because they bet I'd be really pretty if I didn't. They bet I'd be really pretty. Well, these are mine. I've never had my lips done ever. I used to have even bigger lips. As I'm getting older, they're actually getting smaller. These are mine. I promise. I pray. I'm telling you guys, I won't say that, but God gave me these. That's what I'm going to say. So, yeah, haters, be nice. And if you're going to come for somebody, know what you're coming for. Anyhow, 420 box, guys, nothing but good energy. I just wanted to address that since they were very adamant on getting me to see that on a few of the videos. So, when you open her up, the 420 box up, this is the April 2021 spring 420 box. I don't think he's ever done another. Oh my gosh. I just realized something. Hold on, guys. I was going to say, how can I do a 420 box without my Jeffree Star 420 hoodie on? Yes. Okay, that feels better, even though it's really hot in this room. Look the part. All right, guys. So what we've got here is the what do I have on my head? Tell me I got brown stuff on my head. All right, guys. What we have here is the 420 box. We have a hat. Very cute. It is a tie-dye hat like that comes in the other box, and this one has a marijuana leaf on it with the Jeffree Star logo in the middle. So I guess I'm going to have two of them because I'm going to have one that's regular and then one that's, oh, hair. One that's not. Oh, okay. And then I got a bronze grinder, which I don't smoke. I have my license and I still don't smoke just because I never figured out what medication worked for me. However, let's check it out. Oh, it's beautiful. It is really a beautiful piece. I love it. Okay. It's pretty large as well. Okay, Jeffree. I don't know if this is an exclusive. I don't know if like he did separate colors that are different than his regular ones. You guys will have to let me know down below. I can't get this back in the little bag, so this is how it goes. All right, guys. And then the next thing is a pop socket with the same marijuana leaf. And this, I actually have the hoodie that goes with this as well. It's like the same exact color with the same exact emblem just right here instead. So that is adorable. I will put that on my phone. I don't have one on my phone. I know a lot of people were up in arms because they were not really happy with that, but I don't mind it, I guess, as long as it's not like a constant, we just keep getting different pop sockets. Okay, so the next thing I got is the gloss in peach price tag, and I actually do not have any of the glosses from this collection, so let's take her out as nicely as possible because I am a collector of JSC. Any of the things that I have doubles in, I'll either be selling or will be doing a giveaway as well. That'll come in my second video. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love it. All right, guys. Oh my gosh. This might be my new fave. All right. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Yes. All right. So it's like got this peach. Wow. That is stunning. Now I got to wipe it up with tissue paper. Absolutely stunning. I love this. This is actually my new favorite, the gloss. Okay, and then we got the Stoned lip balm, and I believe this has CBD in it. I believe it's just like a chapstick with CBD. And then the next thing we got is this Blood Money. I'm gonna grab mine so you guys can actually see it instead of just talk about it. It's the Blood Money. Hi, welcome to my forehead. The Blood Money palette. That's it. Lose your voice too. What a mess. What a mess I am today. All right, guys. So it comes in this really cute packaging. And then you actually slide this guy over like this. I have used it about 3 times. And then this is what she looks like. Maybe more than 3. I'm not sure. But it is a beautiful palette. All of his palettes are honestly beautiful. They are literally like works of art, especially the ones that come in like the trunks like this. Today I have Jawbreaker on my eyes. A bunch of different colors in the Jawbreaker, which I can list down below. And then I have doll parts, I want to say, on my lips, I think. I'm not sure. So I will probably either be selling that or it'll be part of the giveaway. Let's go to the next box. And the next box is this guy. And we're going to open her up. I'll leave all the prices and stuff because I don't remember at this part. I do apologize. And it looks like this. So, oh no, oh no. All right, what I was gonna say, oh no, is I have this guy. I was super excited. I wanted to get a different one. This is Sour Ice, and I do already have it. And I can kind of show you guys real quick what it looks like. Let's look at her. This is Sour Ice. It has a bit of a green reflect to it. You guys can see. It's like a goldish green. And I don't know why, but I had this feeling that I was going to get one. But maybe in my next one, I'll get one that I don't have. I have the sour one, and then the purple one. Those are the 2 that I have. So that'll be part of my mic fell. So I have that in here. And then we have the JSC, the same card. Very cute. I like the coral jumpsuits. They were cute. So I saw a lot of drama going around about this guy. So apparently, like, it wasn't supposed to be the exclusive that JeffreeStar's cosmetics team wrote back. Somebody wrote to them and said, like, they were saving ink because he literally has the same exact hoodie in, like, another pink and blue, and that it's, I don't know, they should have been refunded. And then they responded back and said that this was not supposed to be an exclusive, but I feel like it had to be. I don't know. So that's tea, nonetheless, if you guys want to look up that on that video. But it's cute. I love his hoodies, obviously. I do. I have one on. I have quite a few of them. So I do collect a lot of the tie-dye ones. So I got the Orgy palette. And for those of you that have watched my other ones, I've gotten this guy a lot of times. A lot of times. So that'll either be sold or given away. And then the next palette I see is the Bloodlust, and this is one of my favorite palettes just because I'm a purple girl. I love purple eyeshadows, and this is absolutely stunning. Oh no, things are falling. Okay. And then we have the 3 shadows here, and this is Jawbreaker. I actually have this on my inside today and up at the brow bone. This is Wow. Wow. And then this is Brain Freeze. So that's beautiful colors. Singles, I guess he's putting out single shadows. And I think, is this an exclusive, guys? Do we know? Does anybody know? Does anybody know what this is? That was another thing I saw with people having a hard time trying to figure out. I guess it's a makeup bag clutch, but then, like, why this one? Oh, just in case you want to make it really tiny. I'm not sure, but it's cute and it's tie-dye, and it's got the JeffreeStar pink logo inside. It's cute. I'm gonna let Jeffree Star speak for himself on these ones. I mean, they're good. Don't get me wrong. They're good. Let's get into lip color. So I have Gemini, which I think that I have. I'm not sure at this point. I got, oh, Medieval Kiss. Let's look at this guy. Oh, yes. It's dark and vampy, perfect for fall. Not really a spring color, but perfect for fall, I suppose, nonetheless. Got it. Look at me making a mess, not being able to get things. Welcome to the channel. Then this guy is Androgyny. Beautiful color. And I think I have this color. I'm not too sure. Give me a sec. Where's that Calabasas? That's Calabasas. We can open these guys up. And then I've got Lord Star. I will open them up at the end. I just kind of wanted to get everything out so that everybody could see them. Ooh. Breakfast at Tiffany's. I don't know why I'm so excited to get such a weird color, but like since I've come into Jeffree Star boxes, I have not gotten all the weird colors everybody talks about. I've gotten a lot of nudes and pinks and reds and such, and I'm actually one of the people that would wear the weird colors, so I'm down for it. Okay, and it comes like, it kind of goes with, you can make something dope work there. And you have to remember, even if you don't like the color for your lips, you can use them as pencils, like eye pencils. And then I got Let Me Be Perfectly Clear, which is a clear gloss. Then, finally, I got the Jeffree Star Approved Mirror, and this is the light pink and black. And I actually don't have this, although I do have a lot of his. I do not have this one, as I try to like nicely peel off the sticker. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, let's open her up. Ooh, she's so pretty. Please don't be broken. Ooh, she's so pretty. Look at this mess. Look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at this? Just look at it. You guys probably don't know what that is. Some of you may. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what these 2 boxes are. Tomorrow will be the full 3 boxes, the full 3 different tiers. And all in all, I thought they were great boxes. I know a lot of people didn't love them, but I really think that they're good boxes. I don't see anything wrong with them. I know people aren't happy with the shirts. To be honest with you, I don't love the new logo. I know a lot of people love his new logo. I like the old one better, like the J and the J, the OG one, but who am I? Who am I? Nobody. All right, guys, for those of you that were just here to see that, thank you so much for watching. For those of you that literally want to see each color, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes. I'm excited now. I was not excited to first tape this, and now I am. Beautiful. Now, as a lip liner, unless I get this lip color, and I don't even know when, I'd have to do a blue eye. I'd have to figure it out, but I would do it. I've done green for St. Patrick's Day. If you guys go back and look, I did like a green gold lip that I made with like eyeshadow. I'm not having a hard time. They're going back in. Okay, androgyny, since I don't believe, I might have a little guy of androgyny, but not the big one. So let's get into it. All right, guys. Oh, it's a beautiful nude. This is gonna be a beautiful color. Oh, not just a nude, a berry, like a berry brown nude. I love that I'm putting these back in there, like they're not just gonna go in the stand. Let me put this back in rack quick. So that's a beautiful brown mauve berry nude. I don't know. You guys see it. This, let's get into medieval. Oh, I don't want to like medieval kiss. Is that what it's called? I don't want to mess it up, you guys. For those of you who have not seen the embossings on this before, it's beautiful. Definitely a beautiful piece of makeup. Oh my gosh, wait, not what I thought it was going to be whatsoever. I'm obsessed. It's not a dark brown, it's a purple. And I, as I said earlier, love purples. I'm excited about that. Okay, awesome. And then let's get into Gemini. I think I have a little guy of Gemini. Like, I think I bought the like Morphe little one that came with some nudes and some glosses and like stuff like that. But I think that's all I have. So let's, oh, that's beautiful. All right, you guys didn't see me do that, sorry. This color right here, which is pretty close to this, just pulls a little bit more orange and red over here. It's a little bit lighter, is Gemini. So those are the colors we got. And let's, oh no, wait, sorry. We have Lord Star. I almost said Star-Lord, like Star Wars. Oh my gosh, I'm hype. Look at all the purple he gave me. Like he packed it for me or something. He knew. Oh my goodness, what? I'm sorry. Sorry, that's probably so annoying on the other end. Wait. Wow. Wow. Can you see her? Yes. Yes, I love it. And then to be perfectly clear, do we need to see perfectly clear? I think we know what clear looks like. in all, guys, I love everything that I got. I'm excited. I didn't get any repeats except for the palettes, which, hey, that's life, especially when you're a collector. But yeah, I think that these were great boxes. We'll see what comes out of the whole hoodie fiasco situation. And these came just in time for 420 for those of you that are smoking. Yeah, I think that they're great. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, hit subscribe, but please, if you would join us work on the inside as well as the outside. Last month, I challenged everybody to do affirmations in the morning, and actually ended up going to the hospital because I'm dealing with some things which you can catch up on my page and other videos. And this month, we're going to start something new. I'm going to do the Laura Lee box unboxing, which I actually just did. I'm going to do a full face with that and talk to you guys about what the new self-love and mental health challenge is. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all tomorrow for the next one, and I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Mwah.